Hi, my name is Chris, and you're watching my instructional video on how to alter some of the more basic configurations within the operating system Windows XP. These basic configurations include your screensaver, your desktop's background, your color schemes, as well as your resolution. So to begin with, we're going to right click anywhere on our desktop and go down to Properties and left click. Now, once you're in the Properties menu, up at the top you'll notice several different tabs. We're going to start with Themes. From here, you can customize your Windows operating system's theme. And what that means is for now it's Windows XP. It shows you what the window looks like. It's got a background, the start bar, everything about the way your interface looks can be dictated by the theme. So we're going to go down here, down the scroll bar, to Windows Classic. You'll notice it gives you a preview of what to expect. Now we're going to hit Apply. And there you go. So as you can see, it looks like Windows Classic. Now, if you notice here, more themes online, by clicking that, it will take you to the Microsoft website where it'll have a bigger variety of themes that you can download. For now, we're just going to change it back to Windows XP. Alright, now we're going to come up here to Desktop. From here, we get to change what our background looks like. And there's a lot of preset options that come installed with Windows. And alternatively, you can browse, and if you have your own photos that you would like to use, you can do that. And these can be any kind of image file. So for now, we'll just go with purple flower. Now if you'll notice, the image itself is in the very, very center. Well, that's determined by this here, the position. Now while it's in the center, we can change the background color here on the sides. Alternatively, by going to Tile, it takes that image and just fills the whole screen up with them. Alternatively, you can stretch it and it'll just enlarge the photo to make it fit to whatever your desktop resolution is. Also, you'll notice this button right here says Customize Desktop. When you click on that, you get access to your icons, what you want to show on your desktop. Because right now the only thing there is the recycle bin. Well, we'll click these three options and hit OK. And then we'll hit Apply. And there you go. They show up on your desktop now. So if you ever want to add those or get rid of them from your desktop, that's where you do it. Additionally, you can change the icons. Now, we'll go with this little guy. Now watch my computer right here. When I hit Apply, you notice it changed. And you can do that for quite a few different things. You can make the recycle bin look like two different things based on if it has anything in it or not. You can clean up your desktop, which will delete any items, shortcuts, links, anything on your desktop that you haven't used in a while. Okay, so we're going to go up here to screensaver. You can determine how long you want the computer to be idle before the screensaver kicks in. A minute, and this can go up to a very large amount if you want it to, but I usually keep mine set for 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can also change what you want it to be, for example 3D, and this menu will be different based on which screensaver you're using. So we'll set it up to have multiple types with mixed joints, have them go really fast and be textured. From here we can choose a texture. And we'll go with Prairie Wind. And hit OK. And now we'll hit Preview. Now you'll notice there's more than one pipe. They have a new texture to them. You can customize. You're just going to go over here to Appearance. Now here we get to pick color schemes and stuff for several different aspects of Windows XP. For example, see here where it says Display Properties and it's got the blue background? We can change that. So the two default options are Windows XP and Windows Classic. And we can change default color schemes. So we're going to change this one to Olive. And hit Apply. And watch. You'll notice the colors have changed. You can change the size of the fonts. You can add different effects for when you go into menus and folders. And then there's the advanced options where you get to customize a lot more stuff. You can customize how big the icons are. We'll increase these from 32 to 64. We will double them. Hit OK. Hit Apply. And you'll notice the icons got a lot bigger. So moving on, we're going to go over to Settings. This is where you determine your resolution and color quality. Color quality always defaults to the highest, which is usually the best. Now, your resolution is based on the one you need. Will be based on the size of your monitor, what resolutions it can handle, whether it's a widescreen, and the specifications for your computer. If you have a bigger monitor, but your computer doesn't have that powerful of a processor, RAM, video, then you won't be able to hit those higher resolutions. So what we're going to do is we're going to crank the resolution all the way down and hit Apply. Now, notice everything got really, really big. It's because we have fewer things fitting on the monitor. You notice the big black borders that appeared? That's because my monitor is set up for a 1920 by 1080. Now, when we do this, again, you'll notice right here that it says that your desktop has been reconfigured and it asks you if you want to keep those and gives you a timer. This is because sometimes when you change the resolution, your screen blacks out because your monitor can't handle that resolution and you can't see what's happening, so you want to be able to hit the no button saying no, you don't want to keep that resolution, so it counts it down and just automatically reverts it back for you. For example, we'll see if we can, nope, but if you notice the scroll bars now, it got even bigger. And that is how you edit the basic configurations for Windows XP. My name is Chris. Thank you for watching my instructional video, and I hope you found it helpful.